This is a durian. And this is the brand new Redmi Note 17 Pro surviving it. Xiaomi's marketing team has spent the last week hitting this phone with coconuts, footballs, and tropical fruit just to prove its 3-meter drop resistance. But behind the theatrical durability stunts is a budget phone that has quietly broken a massive engineering threshold. A 9,000 mAh battery. No, that's not a typo for a tablet. It's a mid-ranger. And it's trying to kill battery anxiety forever. Let's find out. Let's address the elephant in the chassis. Usually, a 9,000 mAh battery turns a phone into a thick brick. But Xiaomi is using their next-gen Jinshajiang silicon carbon tech here. It jams flagship-level energy density into a surprisingly slim frame. Now, the charging is locked at 67 watts. A bit of a downgrade if you're used to Xiaomi's 120-watt hypercharging, but honestly, you won't care. You're charging this thing once every 3 days. And the wild part? They are throwing in a 5-year battery warranty. If it drops below 80% capacity in year 5, they literally replace it with a 10,000 mAh cell. That is absolute corporate confidence or a glorious gamble. Flip it over and the screen is beautiful. It's a flat 1.5K AMOLED panel peaking at a blinding 3500 nits. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which explains why it laughs at concrete and durians. But check out the ingress protection. It doesn't just have an IP68 rating. It holds IP66, IP68, and IP69K simultaneously. It's rated to survive 2-meter submersions for up to 72 hours and high-pressure hot water jets. It is built like an industrial tank, but disguised in a sleek, minimalist sky blue, aluminum-inspired frame. Alright, so what's the catch? To give you a battery the size of a small power bank and flagship glass, Xiaomi had to balance the books. Under the hood is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 5, built on a 4nm process. It's paired with 8 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and HyperOS. It's incredibly power efficient, which stretches that battery even further, and everyday apps feel snappy. But let's be real, this isn't a competitive Genshin Impact machine. It's a daily driver meant for maximum efficiency, not raw peak graphics. As for the camera, it's a dual setup led by a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor. Photos are sharp, colors are punchy in daylight, but the secondary sensors are clearly just there to fill out the spec sheet. The Redmi Note 17 Pro shifts the goalposts of what a mid-ranger should be. It stops chasing marginal camera upgrades and instead focuses on raw utility. A screen that won't shatter, a body that won't drown, and a battery that refuses to die. If you are tired of living on a life support tether to a wall charger, this is the easiest recommendation of the year. I'm Teletech. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.